As an online educator or expert business leader, you have a desire to teach your community and help them as much as possible. But what you may not be aware of is that by doing this, you're actually hurting your audience. I mean, I get it. When I discover ideas that could change people's lives, I want to get out there and share it with as many people as possible. But how many times has someone asked you for coffee or to pick your brain, and you've sat down and unloaded everything that you know that could possibly help them, and what do they do with it? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. They don't take any action on the valuable insights that you've given them. And so why does this happen? It's because the individual that you had spoken to had no deep level of commitment to the topic. This is why it's said that the transformation is in the transaction. Because when someone pays their own money to understand the expertise that you have, it shows that they have a greater level of commitment to the transformation that you offer. Think about the people in your audience who have had the greatest transformation. I bet they are not the people who have simply just downloaded a free PDF from your website. They're the people who are involved in your highest level and maybe even most expensive programs. Yes, it's great to be able to inspire people, but if you don't know how to speak in a way that brings them to a place of true commitment to your programs and your offerings, then you're never going to change people's lives.